Yeah, what's good? Oh, we live already. Damn, I'm just sitting here just looking at people. Yep. What's good? I got your email, man. I didn't get to check it yet, but I did get your email. I'm gonna respond to you. Probably after the live stream. I just didn't really read it just yet though. Can't lie to you, but
Yep.
I did get the notification.
What's good?
Running a little bit late, but it's all good. I'm gonna get just right into it. We see the title right now. This is not what I want, actually. We're gonna mess around in our domain controller. And just experiment with some stuff. What did the title say? The title probably said something about a CVE. Not really sure if that's going to work because I have to activate the Active Directory certificate services. This is my first time. I understand what it is, but it's my first time actually doing that. So taking that with a grain of salt. I encourage everybody to use Vagrant to install a lab, especially if you're a red teamer. I don't know, do what you do, but if you want to be purple like me, I would suggest that you have a lab. Speaking of lab, I need to go ahead and fire up the rest of the components here. So in addition to, where is my VMware? In addition to, what do I want to say here? Just get it out, man. In addition to a domain controller, I have, what do they call it? Windows Event Forwarder. And I have a logger, which is just like this Splunk instance and stuff. So we don't fire both of those up. With this attack, I really don't think I'll see an IOC or anything like that to like latch onto. But yeah. Anyway. So what I want to do here is I want to run some stuff. How do you try to figure out how to? This isn't the most pleasant thing to look at. This is Bloodhound, if you didn't know. Screw it. This is from the other day. We can close this. I just want to run Bloodhound on my setup really quick, because a few people have asked about Bloodhound and working with Windows. This is the command basically. So Vagrant is the password, Vagrant is the username. This is my domain. This is my and this is IP address. And then of course I'm using Commander like I always do. Like it ain't nothing new, ain't nothing changed, right? But let me just make sure people hear me. All right, I'm good. I've been having some sound issues. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not having any. You have a lab. With this attack, I don't think. Yeah, no. Let me do like that. All right. I'm not trying to make people. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not having any. You have a lab. Trying to make sure. All right. I know it's sloppy this morning, but. I know it's sloppy this morning. All right, I think I'm satisfied with that level of. I think I am satisfied with that. I'm just turning it down just a little bit more. All right. But what's good, everybody? What's good? What's up, man? I'm satisfied with that level of. I am satisfied with that. I'm just turning it down just a little bit more. All right. But what's good, everybody. What's up, man? All right, we good. So let's keep going. So, yeah. So if I pipe this into Bash, that's all it is to running Bloodhound. I definitely would never, ever times 1,000 run Bloodhound on the victim unless I absolutely had to. So there's that. That's how you run that. And if we go up, we'll see that we have, damn it, where am I? We have all these users. And if you follow, what's his name? ITsec Labs, you probably see something similar. This is my first time kind of doing that on live stream. So, yep, you've been warned. All right. So let us now get into the DC. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll create a user called live streamer, and then give them a password. I know you probably can't see that. It's probably hectic, especially if you're using mobile. So what we'll do is turn up the font to like 28. These are all the users, by the way. So we're going to be going through some users. I think it is add. So let's make sure. Okay, I'm a domain user. I just have to make sure that that is it is just make a local account, because that would be bad, right? We don't want a local account there. All right, so live streamer is just a domain user. They don't have any rights, and we want to make sure, we want to see if we can privest using this okay, that's not how you activate that. I think you do it with server manager or something. I'm not really an admin like that, server manager, so I'm gonna like stumble around a little bit, try to figure this thing out. But I'm a big believer in, if you know how to set it up, you should know how to hack it. That's what I truly believe there. And I think we should be able to come here. This is the server manager on the, you know what I'm saying? It's the server manager on the domain controller. So it doesn't look like it's even installed, which is bad. Add roles and features. I don't know. Here it is. So it's not active. So it's not active. So I guess the exploit wouldn't have worked. So we'll just go ahead and install that now. We may have to. Yeah. I don't care about anything else. Web service. Let's just activate these. And then I don't know. I want all of these. This is not a tutorial. I'm just like, I hope it doesn't take hours for me. If it does, we're gonna have to switch up. And so my backup plan for today, if this takes too long or if it doesn't work, I want to create a web server on this DC. I don't think that's gonna be a heavy lift, and we can do some fun stuff with like LF5. See if we can activate the SQL server and stuff, maybe. So Mm, okay, so no, it seems to be going pretty smoothly here. That was another bump up. But I'm very paranoid about live streams going very bad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install something called XAMPP. So XAMPP, if you don't know, will allow you to use Apache on a Windows server, which is pretty awesome. Which one do I use? The latest version, obviously, right? Tell your friends about XAMPP. So, yeah, I just told my friends, right? Yo, you guys are my friends, right? So it looks like we're gonna be able to do the exploit. I'm guessing CVE. I think we have to put Impact on this thing too, which shouldn't be a heavy lift here. So there are a few people that I know that are worried about this CVE. I don't know. I have to see how it is, because from where I sit, it's like if your infrastructure is so bad that you can't IIS, I could use IIS. It's just that I wanna do LFI and I wanna do some stuff with PHP. IIS is I guess as we continue to build this thing, we could do two services, one on IIS and one with Apache, just to show people that it can be done and stuff, you know. But I think between the two, Apache is much more fun. Unless you know something that I don't. I mean, I don't. I typically don't. Don't install stuff like that. I normally just like kind of dabble a little bit. Where's the download? Boom. I want to make sure that we are forwarding properly as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Splunk instance, which I don't know the IP. 19, there it is. Oh, it is active, so we're good here. I haven't seen Splunk. I haven't seen this in a while. Well, my instance at home. It's nice to see it. Nice to see it working, man. That's crazy here. This won't be a Splunk video. I'll just, after I run the exploit, I'll see if I can see some stuff in here. I know a few people asked me about Boss of the Sock. I do have Boss of the Sock data in here, in case you didn't know. If you don't know, now you know it. Let's see how well we're doing with the Active Directory certificates. It's kind of stuck here, even though it says 100%. What's the deal with that? But please avoid to install functions. I don't know. Let's deactivate that. We don't care about. We don't care about no stinking UAC. So we'll just deactivate that. User account control. It's not here. Is it here? I don't see it. Tools? Here it is. So never notify. Okay. Obviously it's not recommended, but we don't care. Next. So it has MySQL, so that's good. I was going to say that we couldn't do SQL injection stuff, but it has MySQL, so that's dope. I really don't know nothing about SQL injection or not injection. I don't know nothing about databases other than it's a database. So there's that. So while we do this boring shit right here, we can go ahead and start for my third backup going through my Bloodhound data until one of those finishes. So we will move. I'll move this to my side here. So I want to give people a show. I don't want to just sit here and look at a bar complete. So let's look at our Bloodhound data. Ooh. Oh, okay. So the Active Directory certificate services, it looks like it's complete now. Is that it? I can start? Okay. I did want to just at least populate the Bloodhound data here of my own domain. And what this does, find all domain admins. Okay. Why is this in the way? Go away. Man, it's probably like crazy small right there. We'll try to fix that. Let me tell you, when I try to fix stuff like this, Kali starts bugging out. So just, you've been warned. But I do want to make it easier in your eyes too. So I think it's a fair trade-off. Keep. Okay, so that is the best I'm going to be able to do. How about we like redo this? Refresh layout, bro. There we go. So y'all know how I like to do it. I just come over here and I really just start clicking stuff. Shortest path to high value targets. What? There better be something. Whoa. Okay, so everything's taking a long time tonight. Oh, wow. This is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Ooh. Damn. Oof. All right. So with the thing that I installed on here makes my Active Directory intentionally vulnerable. This is a challenge, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. Look at this. This is crazy. But I can imagine like if you run Active Directory at work, I can imagine yours looking like this, like real talk. So boom, Bloodhound, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's get back to it because both of our things are installed over on the side. So we will, where's my, Bloodhound, bro. Yeah, that was intense. I have never, we did Bloodhound once at work and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to do Bloodhound from a defensive standpoint. Because it just was pretty cool. All right, so Active Directory certificate services are now installed. So now we can follow the GitHub to see if we can get Privest using Livestreamer. And Livestreamer is, again, if you're just joining, Livestreamer is not privileged. Okay, so that's XAMPP there. We do need a PowerShell prompt. So this is our PowerShell prompt. We'll throw it over there. Oh, that didn't work. We'll throw it on the side there. I got a special live stream tomorrow for our for Veterans Day. So if you don't tune in to nothing else, tune in to tomorrow. I especially like the vets that watch me and the people that are affiliated with the Department of Defense. You're gonna like the live stream tomorrow. I think you are. It's not gonna be like corny, and I'm not gonna be like. It's gonna be technical. Just know that. But it's going to be specifically, I don't want to say catered to you, but it's going to be like something that you can take and understand. And then at the same time, even if you're not affiliated, you're still going to learn, I think, if you watch this live stream. So stay tuned to that for tomorrow if you don't catch nothing else. I'm just doing it as a thank you. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. All right, I got off track a little bit. So this is what the user recreated, right? We need the Certify tool. So let's do GitHub. I've never used Certify, so definitely definitely bear with me with this. But we're supposed to be able to, let's just go ahead and open it up really quick. I think it's similar to Rubius. We'll see. How is our exam doing? Is it installed? Oh, yes, finished. Yes, sir. Port 80. So because I eventually want to do IIS, I'm going to start this on port 8080 actually. Oh, I would like to. It's just, bro, it's mad easy. I promise you. What? Service and port settings. Apache 2.4. $80.80, and then we'll do 4443. You can't do that. It's probably because it's not running as admin. Something like that. But I'm not trying to see that, bro. No, thank you. So I had that was a live stream, man. I did a live stream yesterday, but I didn't mean to. And that thing had almost 200 views. It was like ridiculous. And so I was like, man, I put out like, you know, people wanted me to, what? Okay, I think this is better. People wanted me to live stream later in the day. I didn't get a whole lot of engagement on that, but man, it was, man, I appreciate y'all, bro, for reals. Y'all don't have to listen to me. Y'all do. So it was the fact that I was not running as admin. So I want to start Apache now. Apache should be good. Huh. You see that? Okay, so I'm getting off. I'm getting off of the plan here. I do want to know why Apache isn't working. Config. Let's look at the logs again. Error. No, man, you don't even have a. Let's try it again. Okay, how about we put that back on 80 then? Not you. The config, yeah, here it is. Service and ports. Maybe it doesn't like the 44443. Save. Stop. Still don't like that. Let's put it on 80 then. Screw it. I don't think it'll start on 80. Yeah, I didn't think it would. So we'll look at. Yeah, I don't think it's a PHP error. They definitely a Apache error, but they're not showing me anything. What is this? Why is this here? Oh, you have to install Apache as well. I thought it installed everything itself. Damn, my bad. The fuck is a Mercury? I don't know what Mercury is. So we'll deal with that another time. Back to this exploit here. Let's go ahead and download. We don't even have Python on this joint, do we? Nope. So we gotta download both these. Can we do it without Python? Because that's, let me see. Because it's not, oh. Let me go back. Like, I don't think it's normal. Let me go back here. Oh, to me, it's a lot more normal to use Rubius, but this thing doesn't. Oh, this is just checking if the. Yeah, screw it. We can put Python on this thing. This isn't realistic though. But whatever. But don't bullish me unless they have releases. Let's do CircuitPy exe. Yeah. Boom. Oh, it still says Python here. I don't know how to use this thing. I can't lie. I thought that it was gonna be about yeah. Do I have the Microsoft Store here? No. So I have to put Python on this thing. So we're gonna pretend that the system admins use Python on the domain controller, which is not recommended, but whatever. It's fine. Latest. Yep, we want to download the latest, I guess. Windows installer, 64-bit. So I'm going to take a quick coffee break. What are you talking about? I didn't forbid you. Boom. So what's good, man? The chat's all quiet and shit. What's good? Y'all put me to sleep. I gotta go get some coffee, man. I don't know. I don't know. I'm putting myself to sleep watching the bar install. So while we do that, we can go ahead and install Apache. I didn't think that you had to install Apache on its own. I thought Apache came with XAMPP. I guess not. I'm just downloading shit from the internet. It's fine. Smoking out like G4. Woo. I think what? Oh yeah. What? I don't want to do that. Buy your license, bro. One thing that I hate is I really hate. Let's do a new folder. One thing I hate is installing things from a zip file. That's never fun, and you never know where it's going to go. Definitely go left on you real quick. All right, so we have Python installed now. No, we don't, actually. What's up with that? Is it not in the path or something? Bro, I just sit here and just saw it install, bro. What do you mean? It's not in the path. CD, C, use CD, C program. Oh. I don't see Python anywhere. Where is it sitting? Where's that? Yeah, I need the real location. Are you serious? Why is it there? That is it's very weird. How do I modify that? I think this is how you do it. I know there's a Windows way, but this is how you do it here. Where in the hell? What? Boom, 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 boom. I love the dough more than you know. What time is it? 5:40. There we go. And then we'll do a comma and then env path. This is how you do it in Linux. Hopefully it works here. Wow. What am I doing wrong there? Did that work? env path. Yeah, it looks like it worked. So we should be able to do Python now. Bang. Bang. Curry for 3. Dang. Dang. Oh, what a shot by Curry. All right. Okay. I got a lot going on right now. I get it, man. Okay, so let's get back to the exploit here. Did we download it? We did not. So we can just download the zip because this is Windows. And then open when done or whatever. And then we can extract this to the desktop, new folder. Sure. Certificate. What? I didn't get anything but the readme. Is this supposed to be funny? Oh, wrong thing. Damn. I'm looking for certify. Yo, let me stop looking at my viewers because that's gonna be distracting. I just need to focus, man. I really do. If I don't focus, this is not gonna be a good live stream. So, all right, this is the code. We can download this up here. It's 45 minutes. I have not done the exploit yet, so I'm gonna try to. I said I was gonna take a break too, but I'm not gonna take a break. I'm gonna keep going. Extract files, doesn't matter. Just extract them here on the desktop with everything else. Desktop. And then it says, if I go back, we don't have. Okay. Exit. Exit. Boom, boom. Certify is on our desktop. See. We can give them another name other than Vagrant. Look at this. Python 3 setup.py install. Python setup. Hopefully that works. What are you talking about? I'll wait for that to happen. I talked to my daughter last night. My daughter's in Mississippi, yo. I love it so much, but we are like it's crazy because so she's like 14, she's about to be 15. And first of all, she's like a huge cuddler, like cuddling stuff like that. But like if we're not like if we're on the phone or we're like talking or whatever, it's like oil and water. Like we're so opposite, man. It's crazy. But then it's like when we're together, like when she's here for the summer, it's like we like all of the same corny ass movies and the old ass movies. Like she's a big fan of Terminator. Like all of the Terminators. Like she's not a super big fan of Terminator 3, but Terminator 1 and 2, she loves them. And I'm the same way. Not a big fan of Terminator 3. I'll watch it, but then it's like, what are we actually doing here? But yeah, I was just looking at her text message. I don't get to talk to her as often as I would like because like work be crazy, and then my family here be crazy too. But man, she is all my like my other. So I got 3 kids. Other 2 kids like wonderful, apple of my eye. But like sometimes I don't get to talk to her like I talk to my other kids because She was born when I was like 19. Yep. Out there doing whatever. Anyway, let's get back to this. Let's stop being personal here. Let me see. So I downloaded Certify. So now the exploit should be on and popping. Can I just type Certify? No. It's always something. Bro, I don't like how people have different ways of using their software. Just make it all work. Make it all make sense. Can't read me? Oh, shit. Is this the help file? Dang, man. That's a directory. Let's go into build, I guess. B164AB. I was about to say, bro. It shouldn't be this hard. It should not be this hard to run this shitty. My bad, bro. I ain't trying to talk about it. But. So it should be here. What am I missing? What did this setup do for us? Because it's supposed to make it convenient to run. Unless something messed up on me. Oh, I don't have. Oh, damn it, pip. That doesn't come with Python, apparently. What did the installation do? Let's go back to the thing here. Come on, this. That's an egg file. I've never even heard of a damn egg file. Yo, this is about to piss me off. Just give me the damn. I hate doing experimental live streams because like shit like this happens. Where is it? Maybe it didn't install correctly. It's almost been an hour. I still haven't run anything. All right, let's try the pip install way. Oh. Pip install certify. Doesn't like that. So what it says to do. Oh. Found existing installation. Why doesn't it tell me where that is? It's not telling me any fucking thing right now. Where's main.py? Is that what it said it wanted? And main. So I don't see any mains here. So maybe it didn't install correctly. That sucks. Okay. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take a different route here. This thing definitely should be installing. Can I just get a binary, man? That's all I really want. I know what it's probably gonna try to get me to do. It's probably gonna try to get me to do this on Kali. It's gonna force me to do that actually. I guess we're all learning. I love the dough more than you know. I guess I've been having a streak of good live streams. I guess I was due for a shitty one today. Let me see. There's a lot of reasons why this won't work. Oh, so maybe it is in home. Maybe it's in the local bin pass. See users vagrants. Oh shit. Force. So see the app data. Local. LS force. I don't know. Pip. That ain't it. Shot item. I don't know. Yo, if it's that hard to find, it ain't worth it. It is not worth it. But I have Certify not in my path, so what I could do is LNS Kali local. It's crazy how comfortable I am with Kali once I start using it. Certify. I think that's gonna be it. LNS, and we'll do this user local bin certify. Permission denied, of course. And so now when we run certify, we should be good. Word. Python, I guess. What are you talking about, bro? No module name certify. Oh, damn it. Still no module name certify. I just installed it. Did I not just install it? Do I need to do pip 3? Damn. Let me see what's going on with the other stuff. Trying to experiment, man. Trying to get y'all. I guess this is learning for me too. Where is Apache? See if we can install in Apache really quick. I'll make it easy. What is all of this, man? That's funny. Oh, is that easy? If it is, that's dope. CV. Well, same directory desktop. CD installation for Apache. CD Apache 24. And then it says Oh, it says this has to be on the root. So let's copy that and put it on C right here, paste. Can't believe this didn't have more than just. That's whack. Anyway. DDC. Apache 24. And then it says I could just httpd.exe. I don't know what they're talking about. Oh, it's in the bin folder. I wanted to make a vulnerable. Did you miss the CVE? Man, I've been struggling, man. I've been struggling trying to get the certified thing to work, so I haven't even started it, and it's I got like less than 30 minutes. I really, honestly, to be honest with you, I really want to get off and just like restart. Windows is a pain, man. I promise you. Like anything dealing with Windows, like if this was like Linux, it would have been done by now. I should have did this last night so I could just demo the exploit. What I'm gonna probably do is move this. If I don't get working today, I'm gonna move it to next week so that we can actually finally do it. But the exploit is pretty dope once you actually finally get to do it, or at least from what I read. Basically, you create a computer and then you issue your you create a computer object in Active Directory. You can use, here they use get AD computer. You can do that any kind of way. I'm pretty sure you know that. And then you set the DNS hostname attribute to the DC. Now, keeping in mind, like this isn't the DC. This is just a new regular ass computer object. But if you set this in our example, it would be windowmain.local. Once you do that, Windows thinks that that new PC is the domain controller. So then all you have to do is just forward your certificate with certify. And then if you do certify here, you'll get the NTLM hash of the, what? Wait a minute. Does that make sense? Why would I want that? Oh, yeah. So you're going to get the NTLM hash of the what do you call it? Computer, the system user. I think there's a better name for it. Computer account here, which is awesome. I just don't understand. Oh, okay. So I shouldn't have been trying to install it on Windows anyway. So we just wasted a lot of time with that. You can do it all on Kali. My bad, bro. Damn. I'm crazy. I gotta make sure this thing works though. Oh, it works finally. Okay, so we can finally do the exploit. So you came in right in time. So step one might be a little bit awkward here. Generating our certificate for our low privilege user. So Python 3 certify. So we got to change this up to make it make sense for us. So our low privilege user is called live streamer. And I just did that just so you knew that I wasn't cheating, right? I want to make sure that we're doing this the correct way. My domain is windomain.local. I don't even know the password for. Let's go back. I feel like things are about to work smoothly now. Net user. Shit. Let's open up as administrator. Yeah, because I don't remember the password. Damn. Net user. Live streamer. Pass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bang. That probably was it anyway. I just had to like refresh myself on that. So let's go back to McCallie. Pass. Oh. What did I do here? Damn, I keep forgetting my password. It says pass WZRD 1, 2, 3, 4 bang at DC. Makes me nervous. When domain .local certificate authority. Yeah, I don't remember using that. I don't remember setting that. Let's go back. I don't remember setting any certificate authorities. What? The system cannot find a file specifier. What the fuck do you mean, shouty? Server manager. Active Directory certificate services should be somewhere in here. Here you go. System cannot find the file specified. Yo. Yes, he does. Do all of this. Because why not? Oh, there's more stuff to do. Okay, it's fine. Whatever. Yep, it's fine. This is good stuff to do. Probably for the live stream tomorrow. Yeah. Sure. I don't care. Here we go. Window main CA. Window main -DC -CA. Validity. 5 years is too long. It was window main -DC -CA. This is my first time doing that. I'm gonna tell you right now, temp let user. And let's just make sure we are installed over here. Oh no, it seems like everybody came in the room right when. No, I don't. Leave me alone. All right, so now when I do certificate services, or certificate authority, we should be fine. Fingers crossed. Yes. Good, we have a certificate authority. That's all you need, baby. So this should work. So the CA is wrong. Tell you that. I don't know about template. I don't see a template. Yo, if I can get this to work, what I want to do. What? That's all I get? What I want to do is I want to create a hack the box machine, and I'm going to put this vulnerability in there. Call that joint hard. I don't know what we're going to name it. I'll probably name it the damn main. I don't know what the fuck to name it. Shit. I don't know why this isn't working. It's saying that it doesn't recognize the argument. Okay, so it wasn't the way that I was doing the tick marks. It just doesn't know what this is. Unrecognized arguments template user. All right, how about we just don't put that then? What? I just created it. What are you talking about? Didn't we just create a... windowmain.dc.ca. Maybe they want it to be like case sensitive. Windowmain. Wow. Cert not found. Maybe they want me to. Let's go back. Oh, well, first of all, this isn't right. The username isn't right. But that wasn't the reason. Name. That's all it says. The following arguments are required. Name. Nothing else. Maybe they changed the way you're supposed to use this thing. I don't think I have the same certify. I'm pretty sure I don't. Because what I'm looking at, I don't have like the version or nothing up there. Okay. Let us just go get the GitHub version. So I think right now I'm working with the... It's a shame you have to do all of this. Because I'm thinking if Certipy worked properly, like the rest of the exploit will be pretty elegant. Let's see, copy that, put that in opt, clear, git clone. Boom, I don't care. cd certify, and then it's like pip What's the cat? Yeah, there was something wrong with the one that I was just using. How do you install it? Grep install. Python 3. Setup. Pi install. Sudo. Okay. Where is it? LS. And we're dealing with this shit over again. They could just put it in the damn. You could just. Install and certify script to user local bin. Okay. Man, this shit, bro. All right. Oh, it's saying permission denied. Okay. It's always something. I think we're back on. Did that work? No. I tried to do it right the first time. He barked at me. Template is user. Doesn't like any of this stuff that I'm trying to do. Invalid choice. Oh, you gotta do REQ. It's now saying unrecognized arguments. Certify REQ, and then I have you. Okay, it's still not right. It's still not right, bro. So this is supposed to be like this. And then this is supposed to be when domain dot local slash unrecognized arguments. Why does it not recognize my arguments? I wonder if it's this exclamation point throwing it off. Unrecognized argument still, man. What the hell? So that's not it. CA template user. Yeah, I did it exactly how they want me to do it. Maybe the GitHub has it wrong. So let's try to do something with this. You would be live streamer at when domain the local password is that yeah. Password is, damn it. I think they had it wrong, or maybe they modified their own script. Whatever. CA equals that target. I don't have a target. Let's just try this. Yes, it's working finally. Huh? Failed to request certificate. What if you didn't know? Still failed. Let's do target ca dot when domain dot local. Is that gonna help? This sucks. So you know what this tells me about this CVE? I don't know. Maybe I don't want to jump to conclusions too soon. But when it comes to like, one of the reasons why I like, as a threat hunter, the reasons why I like to get into my lab and do this stuff is because now I know what they have to do, hackers have to do to get this shit to work. I mean, it's doing something. Let's see what it's doing. Hopefully that works. Yeah. Ugh. Name or service not known. Okay, so ca.win.local, that might just be like, it says that it failed to resolve that, but we can just do sudo vim ethost I tell you, man, with ethical hacking, man, you have it all, man. You have to do admin stuff. You have to code. You have to script. You have to troubleshoot, hacking the stuff. Okay. Hopefully it works. Failed to request certificate. Let me see if. Let me just make another password without the exclamation point. This is not what I want. Let's just do live streamer. Yeah, I knew you would do that. How do you make it live streamer? Is it like that? Password 1 2 3 4. Password 1 2 3 4 dash this time. I wonder if I could do a verbose on this so I could figure out what the hell's going on. Stop. Okay, I'm gonna have to get off, man. So, I mean, it's not. I guess the live stream isn't like a total waste because I learned a lot here. So I wonder if it's even logging in. Let's try V. That doesn't work, man. Failed to request certificate. That's sad. It didn't tell me why, nothing like that. Can I request a certificate with Rubius? Let's go into Rubius. I think I can. Home, Cali, work, CB, dubs. But damn, I just thought about it. You can't run Rubius on. You can't run Rubius on here. That sucks. I thought this would be far more fruitful than this. Let me see what happens when you get the password wrong. I gotta iron my clothes for the day. I haven't ironed. So I think I oversold the title. Apparently, obviously, we weren't able to do it because Certify is a big pain. I want it to work. Okay, so the password is correct. It's just not issuing any certificates. Can I print a stack trace of this? So it resolved window main to that weird IP for some reason. Why is it? Would you like to save the private key? Duh, yes. And it just fails. Does it even attempt to save it? Oh, wow. Well, no, let's go out of there. So it looks like it's saving a key now that I look at it. CD home lab. CD. I don't know if the failure is just like some bull crap. It looks like, damn, where can I go where it's like vector test cd test. All right, let's try it now. Would you like to save the private key? Yes. Failed to request certificate. There's a key. 8.key. There's a private key. We just need let me see if I might have been doing it right the whole time. Okay, no, I'm not. So you need do I even have templates? I probably need to create templates. That's probably a thing. Yeah. Oh no, that's a default template. Bro. So it's supposed to get so it's getting the private key, but it's also supposed to get the certificate, as we see. Let's try Vagrant. Maybe it doesn't want to give me any like low privilege user certificates. That might be a thing. But it said in the article that you could do this for a low privilege user. Okay, so that doesn't matter. Let's take the target off. Still the same thing. So it looks to me that it's looking in the wrong place for both of these. So ca.windowmain.local might be like wrong. So let's try it. Ping ca.windowmain. You might not even know what that is. Yep, it doesn't know what that is. Let me try to put, I'm gonna try to put this in the host file. Unless I configure that here. What do you think? Can we, first of all, let's just try to leave that off. See what happens. No, we already did. Failed to request certificate. Let's look that up then. I don't know. Sometimes all it takes is just a little bit of Googling. There's a fox there. Is that a fox in a box? That is a. Where did you see that? So that's a PIP address, meaning that I don't have an IP for that. I don't even know if I want to dig into it today. That's probably the reason why, because one thing that happens is when you do anything with Bloodhound or anything like that, it uses both. So this IP address is supposed to be 198.254. Let me look in here. This was a mess today. I don't even remember changing anything in here. I feel like if I do change it, I don't remember how I even set this thing up. Let me look at my WEF really quick. Let me see if it's the same. Yeah, I'm not really big on like setting things up at all. Like normally I just yeah. I got to reach out to some people at work probably today to kind of help me with my setup, because this is ridiculous. Let's see though. Okay, so this one does have 2. So let's just copy the settings from here. So VMnet 0. So nothing is different there. So I think we could solve this with a simple restart. Or could we do like IP? I don't want to do release renew. Can we do a release renew on a specific interface? I don't think we can do that. Settings. Yeah, there's nothing different here. All right, let's restart it. This was like, don't get me wrong, I've been learning, but it's like, I don't think this would make a good reference video if someone were trying to reference this CVE. So I'm probably going to not keep this video. Up, because like if you Google that number, I want you to be able to, if you come to my channel, I want you to be able to use that CVE, right? I want to just put out bull crap. So yeah, Linux, everything that I've done in Linux today was a breeze. Everything that I've done in Windows was like, where's that saved? Why isn't that where I expect that to be? Why is this in this app data local temp scrambled randomly named folder? I tried to do XAMPP while I was doing it, and that was yeah. I made a lot of promises with this live stream. I just wasn't able to deliver. So I think I'm gonna do a second one, man. I think I'm gonna do a second one tonight. And I'm gonna just I'm gonna take a break on the CVE, and what I want to do is I want to put together a vulnerable web app, and I want to put every vulnerability in that web app that I know. So I'm gonna do SQL injection, LFI. I want to do command injection. I want to do it all. And maybe if I one thing that I want to do is I want to submit it to Hack the Box as like a special box, though. If that makes sense. So this box will be like, it'll be several vulnerabilities, but like all of them will be rabbit holes except one. So you just have to like figure it out. Okay, so now I have an IP. Yeah, man, I'll see you later. Now I have an IP there. Maybe this will work now. So if not, man, I'm gonna get off too, because just doing too much at this point. Yes. Still fails. Let's try to do it with this. Fails. It's still trying to resolve it at the wrong place. Why? Why is it trying to resolve it there? There's probably a few more things. So I've never set up Active Directory. What is this? Is this my WEF? No, this is my DC. Did I just No, I don't know. I didn't. All right. Certificate authority. Maybe there's some kind of extra thing. I'm going to love pointing your machine. Yeah. So if this works, this is going to be the Privesk. So even if you do get in, it's like, all right, how do I Privesk? And you know what? Screw Hack the Box. I'm gonna try to submit this to Try Hack Me. That way, like, just like you know how King of the Hill has like multiple ways in. Like every web service will have like server side template injection, cross site, server side request forgery. One will be like command injection, all of that. That is my default gateway. I don't know why it's reaching out to my default gateway to resolve. I just don't get that, because there's so many other places to resolve before you get there. So that makes no sense to me. Oh wow, look at that. These are all the requests that I made. I guess I'm learning something in a way. So this isn't totally a waste. So it looks like it's requesting and then taken under submission is the response that I get. So I'm learning a lot here. I think this is a valuable skill to have. But I got to see why it's telling me taken under submission. Now that I got like an actual result, certification authority. Sometimes I just like forget how to spell, bro. The certificate request has worked, but it's waiting for approval. Means you don't have the rights to issue the certificate. So how do I fix that? I don't have the rights because this dude is an admin. Let's go back. Maybe there's more. Damn. That like Google, bro. I mean, like Google been around for it's been around for a long time, right? I will never stop singing the praises of Google. Cause bro, we could really be out here like flapping in the wind, bro. Like for seriously. AD config. That's not working. What about server manager? Can we search for things? Tools. So it's saying we have to enable this. First of all, we have to enable the templates. Which I don't know how to fucking do that. Enable templates. Here we go. This is learning, bro. So maybe I'll change this video to like how to do this. Certificate templates. I don't remember seeing that. Maybe you need to be a part of a group that you might be on to something. I'm gonna hunt this down a little bit more, but I think you might be right. Because I remember doing what was that? Vox Anubis, and when we took over his account, the guy's account, he was a part of a group that could build web. He could build certs based off of a web certificate. Like if you want to check it out or something, anybody want to check that out, they can. But that definitely now reminds me. So we did all of this. We did all of that. We did all of that. We did that. We did that. Click close. Create certificate template for control panel administrative tools. We're already there. Right click. I don't have that, bro. What did I miss? Create a new private key. I know I didn't pick subordinate there. I think I did standalone. Okay. I think I did do standalone there. How do I redo this? Finish? I don't know. Task. Renew? I don't know. That is not what I wanted to do. They don't let you. More? Yes. Let's just uncheck things that I don't need this time. I don't know. Does it take that long though? So Vagrant is the one that can issue. Come on, bro. Is it loading? I don't see anything happening. No, I don't want to cancel it, but it's making me. Yeah, this is a lot. Next. I don't know if it's loading or not, man. I didn't screw this up. Access is denied. Okay. Let's do. I'm gonna learn this shit, man. I'm not gonna give up. To install the following role services, you must belong to the enterprise admins group. Can I belong to both? Let me try that. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, wow. Net group. Enterprise admins. Vagrants add. Word. I'm tired of having my access denied, bro. What are you talking about? He's an admin. Let him do it. Net group. Enterprise admins. Grants. Add. All right. He's in there now. So cancel that. Go back. Maybe you can get something else. If not, man, my bad, bro. I didn't mean to make no clickbait. Access is still denied. That what they want me to do? Okay. Yep. It's just not working, bro. I don't know. Next time we deal with this thing, because we don't really have a way ahead, man. We don't have a way forward right now. So the next time we deal with this, I'm going to try one more time just for the road. Yep. So I'll probably figure this out offline. The main thing that I want to do, though, is probably turn this into like a learning lesson for building vulnerable web apps, which should be fun because we don't have to follow no rules there. Other than that, I'm out. I'm gonna go get ready for work. This sucks. I'm a little bit upset, so I'm gonna go and try to like chill for a minute, and then tomorrow we will have a special live stream. Wait a minute. I don't want to make any promises there. Let me not make any promises about the Veterans Day live stream, because what I want to do sometimes I want to do things, and then things like this happen where it's like it might not go the way we want it to go. So if it does, I would definitely 100% put out the thumbnail beforehand and let everybody know that, hey, this is going on, right? So yeah, we are out. I will see you guys later. Peace out, bro. And